Hi, in this video we are doing a demo on the Cybex Cloud Q Plus capsule. Now this is the Australian version of the capsule. Now one of the first things you do in the installation is to adjust the height of the base. There is a level indicator on top of the base which you can see, and you just adjust it appropriately based on the recline of your seat. Now let's put the base on. You just lift the little locking flap up. Now the seatbelt, just make it nice and long. It just needs to loop around you, or you can just follow the instructions. This is just a very quick guide to installing the base. Of course, there's a lot of little work just to make sure you remove all the slacks to ensure that the base is nice and firm. So look, once it's in, you just push it down and you make sure that it's locked in place. So the base now is locked in place. Now a tether strap is required in the Australian version, so this would come with it. You need to locate the anchor point, which is located behind the back of the seat or just directly behind the backrest. Locate where that is, attach the tether strap to it, and I'll show you more on how to use this later. Now the capsule, this is the Cloud Q in Manhattan Grey. Now it clicks in. Remember, in Australia, you need to do what I'm about to do. Now, the handlebar needs to come down in the traveling position. This acts as the stabilizing bar to ensure that the capsule is stabilized. Now, assuming the door is on the outside, you need to pull out that telescopic side impact protection. And then with the tether strap, it needs to join on to the other piece of the tether strap. So basically this capsule would have 3 levels of side impact protection. Firstly handled by the telescopic side impact protection, then the shell, and then the headrest. Now what we're going to do is just take this off. You just need to pull the strap lightly, separate the tether strap, and then put the tether strap back into the bag. And then in a moment we're just going to press the button, put the telescopic side impact back in, take the handle back upright to the holding position. There's a green button and a silver one. Push that in, tilt it not to that angle, but you get the idea. Tilt it to the angle and bring baby out. Now that obviously this is a premium baby capsule, and the transition from the car to a stroller is actually very effortless. So we're going to do a demonstration with the Cybex Meos. Or you can do any one. Look, first thing you need is to click the adapters in. You can do this with most strollers as long as it's suitable for the Cybex stroller. Notice how this one has that upside down V shape. It allows the capsule to drop in very easily. And that's it. The capsule is locked in. The sun canopy is of course UPF 50+ protection. And the best feature of this capsule is the lie down position. It's true flat lie down, and this capsule is suitable from 0 to 12 months old. I don't know if you can see it from here, but the headrest is also adjustable. Notice you just press the button around, and then there's 11 position height adjustments on the headrest. Again, notice how the recline position, it is the only one on the market. It is beautiful, and the canopy just hides away. It's very nice. Now to release, there's an inside button where the grey button is. Locate that, put it up, and just put it back into the base, into the car. So the Cybex Cloud Q Plus, now available at Banana Baby.